Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool TA954 military field telephone, and this is David's equipment from Missouri, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we're going to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. We're going to be doing a conversion on this military field telephone. David has already removed most of the PC boards that are in this unit because they cannot be used in the conversion. Now we want to design out our circuitry that we're going to use with this unit. We also need to rewire this keypad to our circuits that we design. David wants to go with the mechanical ringer, and so we'll design out a mechanical ringer situation for David. We also have an original LED light that the unit came in with for the old circuitry. We cannot use that, so we're going to go to a different bulb type. We also want to incorporate our ring cycle voltage volume level. So we will design that into the circuitry. We also want to utilize the volume control that we have on the front panel for our receiver volume, and so we will include that into the circuit design. Now we also need to redesign the wiring for the handset. It's wired for the military field telephone, and we need to change that wiring so that we can add it to the circuitry. We also want to check our impedance match for the receiver of the handset, and we know that the transmitter cannot be used, so that will have to be changed for the new design. We're going to troubleshoot the handset cord, and we also need to install a modular line port so David can use any line cord, any length, any color he chooses, walk up to this telephone, plug the line cord into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. David removed the magnetic switch that allows you to hang up the handset, and basically it was bad. So we need to install another magnetic switch. Now there's a lot of work that's involved in converting a military field telephone, and we have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, redesigning, and converting of this really cool TA954 military field telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a conversion of this really cool TA954 military field telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. Now release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We have our visual light indicator. We'll go ahead and start turning down the mechanical ringer. I'm going to go ahead and turn it down all the way. And then we're going to go ahead and turn it off. We still have our visual light indicator. We'll turn it back up a little bit. And then all the way up. We're going to go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We use the F button for flash. We're going to hang up and give you some dial tone. Now what we can do is send another ring cycle to the unit, and we'll give you some dial tone. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. We used F for flash, so we can hang up. We'll give you some dial tone. And we used P for redial. If you watch the analyzer, it will end in a 2. Now we can go ahead and transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hit our flash button. That'll give us dial tone again. We're going to go ahead and turn up and down our volume control on our front panel. So we incorporated that function also. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Today is Wednesday, March 28th. The current time, 6:56 p.m. and the temperature, 54 degrees.
We can hit the flash button. That'll give us dial tone. And we'll call my number, and it'll be busy. We'll hit the flash button. We'll call one last number. We don't need anything from there, but we'll give them a ring.
Thank you for calling Walmart.
And we can hang the unit up. Now that we know that this really cool TA954 military field telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to David and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.